Hey there, Camry owners. Welcome back to the channel. If you're driving a 2004 Toyota Camry and experiencing electrical problems, you're in the right place. Today, we're covering the top 4 electrical issues and how you can fix them. And today we'll dive into some common electrical problems reported by Camry owners. Let's get started. A faulty oxygen sensor can trigger the check engine light and affect engine performance. You'll notice poor fuel efficiency and rough idling if this sensor is failing. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like P0135 or P0141. These codes indicate issues with the oxygen sensor. Replacing it involves locating the sensor, usually on the exhaust manifold, disconnecting the electrical connector, removing the old sensor with a wrench, and installing a new one. Always apply anti-seize compound on the new sensor's threads to ensure easy future removal. If you hear a clicking noise or nothing at all when turning the key, the starter motor might be the problem. This issue can leave you stranded if not addressed. First, check the battery connections to ensure they are tight and free of corrosion. If the connections are good, test the voltage at the starter motor using a multimeter. If the starter is receiving power but not engaging, it's likely time to replace it. The starter motor is typically located near the bottom of the engine, so you may need to lift the car to access it. Disconnect the battery, remove the bolts holding the starter, and install a new one. Dimming headlights, warning lights on the dashboard, and malfunctioning electrical accessories can indicate issues with the battery or alternator. A failing alternator won't properly charge the battery, leading to power issues. To check the battery, use a multimeter with the engine off. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. Start the engine and check again. The reading should be between 13.7 and 14.7 volts, indicating the alternator is working. If the voltage is outside this range, the alternator may need replacement. Replacing an alternator involves removing the drive belt, disconnecting the battery, and unbolting the alternator. Make sure all connections are clean and secure. Slow or non-functional power windows are often due to faulty window regulators or switches. This can be particularly frustrating, especially if the window gets stuck open. First, inspect the window switches for any signs of wear or damage. Listen for any unusual noises when operating the switch. If the switch clicks but nothing happens, the regulator might be at fault. To access the regulator, remove the door panel by unscrewing any fasteners and gently prying it off. Once inside, you can test the motor and replace any faulty parts. Before reassembling the door, ensure the new parts are working correctly. There you have it, the top 4 electrical problems in a 2004 Toyota Camry and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Leave a comment below if you've faced any of these issues or have other electrical problems with your Camry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.